Hey guys, Ryan Rieger here. Do you want free publicity? Well, I'm sure the answer is yes. And let me tell you about a site that I've been using that's been giving me free media hits. So I've been on podcasts because of this. I've been written up in several articles and on blogs. And so it's super cool. It's, again, totally free. It's called Help a Reporter Out. Let me show you this site here. So this is a site that if you're a journalist, you can go to look for sources. Because as a journalist, you obviously need people to make comments. You need to interview people to get story ideas, or you already have a story and you need people to comment. You need experts for your story. If you're a blogger, if you're a podcaster and you're looking for guests, this is a site that you can sign up for. But if you're trying to build a brand, you're trying to become an expert in your niche, this is an awesome source to sign up for, an awesome service to sign up for. And again, guys, it's totally 100% completely free. Just click this I'm a source button, you go through the process. You'll start getting emails every single day with these journalists looking for stories, or looking for people to interview. So here's an example. This is one I got this morning. This is Wednesday morning. And you just go through here and look for ones that make sense with what you're trying to accomplish, or with the knowledge that you have, the expertise that you have. And so I'll show you an example of what happens when you click on these. So I don't know if I would do this one or not. Maybe looking to interview business leaders excelling at COVID-19 communications. Well, I don't know, maybe I'm excelling, maybe I'm not, but you read through here, and if it seems to fit, you feel like you have some expertise to share, then all you got to do is, here's the requirements. Please respond with a brief explanation of why the executive is a good fit to be featured. We'll follow up with selected candidates to set up an interview open to founders, executives, and leadership at public and private companies, as well as nonprofits and government agencies. So if you decided to do that and to respond to that, you would just click here. It'll open up a new email, and you could, what I typically do is copy this section here, and I do HARO so they know where the lead is coming from. And then I find a name. I say something like, "Hi, Remy. I'd love to help you with your article." And then from there, I just write the comment that you're looking, that they need, and make it short, unless they ask for something really long. Guys, reporters are busy. They don't have time to read a ton of stuff. Now, some of them may say we're looking for, 500 words, 200 words. In this instance, they're saying a brief explanation. So make it brief, and then hit send. That's all I do, guys. And this had turned into some really cool things for me. Here's an example of one that just happened. I am number 12 on this list for an article called 18 Entrepreneurs Explain How They Use Social Media for Business. And so I wrote to them and said that I use it to build trust. And now I'm linked in this article. And even better, just got an email this morning from somebody that's a podcaster wanting to interview me because they saw this article. So guys, take advantage of this. It's completely free. Yes, it does take some time each day to scroll through and look at these opportunities. You're not going to respond to all of these. There's going to be days where you don't see anything that fits you. But when it does, when it feels like, yeah, that's for me, I can totally contribute to this, I have something to say about this topic, then do it. You will never know what can happen. And I definitely, I do not get quoted every single time. I don't know what the percentage is, but it seems often I get a media hit, and it's all because of this, and it's completely 100% free. Guys, that's helpareporterout.com. Sign up there. You will definitely get some hits from it. If you can do it consistently, you got to do it consistently, and open these up as often as you can. Look at them, and the ones that make sense, respond, and the ones that don't, just toss them away.